So you don't want to think of me. No. Howie? Oh, I thought it was going to say Howie Mandel.
All back in school, so we're having stuff to do.
Yeah.
There's a good spot to sit at the waterfall.
Yeah.
There's a waterfall. Go ahead, have a seat.
Don't.
I was just joking.
I knew you were going to do that. Ooh, it's so nice.
So bright though.
I know.
It's burning.
We're at 6.5 miles.
What?
6 more to go. We're down 1 mile.
Huh?
It's 6 miles long.
No, Mom's joking.
I was just joking.
Oh yeah, you saw.
I don't even think it's one.
For the waterfall?
It might
Yeah,
be.
I
I think
don't-
it is. I think on the thing it says 1 mile.
I don't think it is.
So far it feels like 5.
All right, relax, Lily.
Does it not look funny?
I don't see it.
You want it to
So
look
many
long too?
doggies. 1, 2. Didn't 4 dogs pass us? I thought it was 4. Is it only 3?
Well, it's 3.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it kind of reminded me of her. I was a little sad when I saw it.
Oh, what?
The little freaky haired one.
Reminded me of lightning.
Whoa, what's that trail? It's so golden, too. What the? That's new. Well, Mom needs to relax. Oh! A bear just comes out of nowhere.
Not really.
No, it's stairs. Be careful, because Mom freaked out last time. See? Told you.
Mom's trying the stairs.
Lily, you're already falling, damn it! What is it?
I'm fine. Whoa.
Chevy just runs and
Yes, Mom, it's the stairs. Well, no, it's not actual stairs. It's God's stairs. Down.
God stairs up. She just falls in up and she's going up.
Okay. Let's see the distance.
This is not where you guys were threatening to go down.
No, we were.
Threatening? Threatening
I went
to
in
go
and I was like,
down?
you better stop. I was like,
Here, grab Chevy.
It was a spot that didn't even have anything.
Come on.
Why Chevy knocks some bottle down?
Huh. Holy crap, I twisted my ankle. Oh, it's good. Just want you feeling. That did not feel sturdy. Well, this tree. You need a relaxed tree.
And there's another trail.
Now, if this was wet, I wouldn't do it. Look at this tree. Careful, Lily. You have Uggs on, not hiking boots.
Look a bridge.
You pointed like Christopher Columbus.
We're the British.
My bad.
you want to go down there?
It's like a napkin.
What is it? A leaf? It's just a napkin disguised as a leaf.
I gotta poop so bad. Holy cow.
It's so nice.
That's what I was thinking.
Somebody gets a fish.
Oh.
Mom, there's many little rocks.
No, those are big. Talk about that nice brown.
How am I supposed to get back up there? Lily, how are we supposed to get back up there?
Oh, look, people.
Climb.
I'm gonna help.
Okay, you go first. What people?
Jackie, get out the way.
Oh, money. Is this what being old means? What? Oh, yeah. Hopefully they know how to get there. Let me check. Okay, good. Man, they want to fit. Is that them over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. They went so fast.
Bro, where did that family come from?
I know, right? Probably.
Unless they came
Right.
from right
No,
here.
I think right here. Yeah, because look at these are the stairs we went down.
Kind of, right?
Stairs. Okay, come on, let's catch up to them. Love that good leaf crunch.
Yeah. Oh.
Something a little fuzz.
She didn't even step on the leaf, but it was a stick that made the leaf crunch.
I ordered a new attachment because I can't use my tripod because I lost the attachment. So it should get here Tuesday, and now I'll be able to use. Huh? Oh, that one dog. So the attachment's gonna get here Tuesday, and then I'll be able to use my tripod. Would have been beneficial. It would have benefited me at Matson's, but we could try. That cute was a dog.
Oh, now where are they?
Well, they went that way.
Yeah, but like,
They'll come across. They'll come out at the waterfall.
Probably.
we don't know where the waterfall is.
Yeah, we do.
Well, we don't know where this leads. But I'm assuming, yeah, it leads to the waterfall.
You see people at the waterfall walking out through the woods either.
Why is she walking so close to the Shit. Oh, I love the sun.
Up right next to us.
Huh?
Over there when we were gonna go down the stairs when we were looking.
Oh, yeah, I saw.
I was just like, what in the world? Like, why is your parent letting you get that close to people?
To a stranger. With a dog.
And with the dog.
I want a horse so bad. Ooh, I bet a chipmunk lives in there. Wow. Should we go that way? No, I'm just kidding.
I'm sure people have. That's why the path is there.
Huh?
I'm sure people have. That's why the path is there. Like all these paths lead to that water. We're just gonna go around like this.
Ow. There's something in my shoe. Actually, there's been something in my shoe this whole time. Huh?
So what is that?
Rocks.
Yeah, it's
Rock cracker? Huh?
because they're a path.
I wonder if she was there.
From. I want to see a chipmunk again. But that was at the creek. Did you watch that video? It's pretty funny. You're in it, you know?
Yeah, that's probably why they want it.
There's a crack in the leaves. Imagine
Is that as a video?
all the leaves are down.
Leaves?
And you see through all the trees.
Yeah.
Just bare. See how
Is that
far
nice?
down-
Oh, a squirrel. Where'd it go? I lost it. I wonder if they're here or here. Long lost boys? Yeah.
Not as long as I thought, but I said short at first. And I was like, why do you think it's not short? He's probably not long.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Last time we came,
Yeah, it was pretty. It was a pretty nice little walk.
last time we came, there was only like 3 people.
Oh my god.
Then they left and we had it to ourselves.
Oh my goodness.
It feels like Philadelphia. It's so tricky.
The little dogs.
What does that mean, feel like Philadelphia?
Huh?
What does that mean, feel like Philadelphia?
Feel like Philadelphia?
That's what she said.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
This, the waterfall, like it's like Philadelphia. It's trippy. Like it looks like the almost
the arrows?
exact, yeah. It looks like almost the
Yeah.
exact same path that we walked.
Gotcha. But that was Pennsylvania. I went to Philadelphia.
Well, Philadelphia's fine.
Yeah, wonderful.
They would
This
meet
way?
us from right there though, huh?
Yeah, this way then.
No, we just wait here for a while.
Okay, we'll wait.
I'm not trying to pick.
Who said they wanted to go that way? No.
You said that way?
Yeah.
Because that's where Barn and Dirk are coming from.
Shall we come sit?
I think I forgot I got a
Are you gonna sit?
Yeah, yeah, we wanna go there with that.
You see them boulders that are up there? That's like the reflection from the sun.
Let's wait and see if they appear. There's little fish in here too. Of course.
Yeah.
They were ahead of us.
Unless they decided to keep going.
Or maybe, 'cause I see someone over there that looks like Bart. Oh no,
No,
that's
that's
a
not
jacket.
him.
Yeah. I forgot Bart had the jacket. Okay, I'm not going up again. How'd she get up there? Who let up there? Oh. That's just so cute.
It's slippery there. They need to be careful on those rocks.
That's so cute.
Oops.
Is that a picture of that little girl?
No.
But she sent the to another.
I zoomed in and only got the bottom.
No, but I was saying that the guy was seeing a picture of her.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get a fish.
Then again, they have Chevy, and Chevy's been stopping a lot, so.
Yeah, that's what I...
It might.
Should we walk that way?
I don't know. I feel like it would take them out this way.
Yeah, but...
Unless they decided to go to the right.
I kind of want to record this because...
Yeah.
The tree? I don't know. Oh, man.
Yeah, he just went up. Until that guy came down the trail and I said, oh, he's just a different. Yeah.
I like this noise.
Yeah.
And me.
Or they're gonna actually film.
No way.
I thought they were going to actually film.
I started recording. You don't see any fish?
I remember some little girl climbing on it. That was,
Oh, nice.
and I think that one was the first shoot, so that would be, unless we broke off.
Yeah.
Go to the beach.
Or someone broke it off.
Oh, yeah, it looks like they broke it off.
Yeah. Something in the water can see.
Oh, I thought that was them. I thought that was
Those
Barton
goes
Jericho.
up, yeah.
What? No.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, those little girls, yeah.
Okay. Dog over there.
There's, that's how
Let's go walk that way and see if we can find them. I'm gonna go look for...
It smelled like pine sol, right? Like right
Yeah, it smelled like a...
Oh!
Oh!
We were just gonna go looking for you guys. Where's Jericho?
Oh, yeah. Or Kevin.
Well, we've never been on this side anyway.
Okay. just gonna go looking for you guys.
Where did it? Well, that's right here.
Nah. That's how high up the water is. Right there?
Man,
My phone. In my backpack.
the direction of the land, the deepness. Oh, there's a rock.
Can I take off my shoes and just walk in it?
No.
Or not?
Down here? Roll up
Yeah.
your pants, maybe.
Well, yeah, but I'm not going in like this.
Go ahead then if you want.
Stop leaving your phone on the floor.
Well, I have it there for right now.
Wait, I thought you were gonna take your shoes off.
Nah, I think I'll just.
And just stick it.
It's not that deep.
Another foot? Was that a? Yeah, like 1 foot. Wait,
Well, it's because it's like that.
that's not even a foot. I would say.
It's like right here is where it's
Yeah, but that's
Is that a ruler?
Areas have deeper. Over there, like deeper.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
like
true.
right there, like steeper.
Yeah, I know what she means, but I'm just saying.
Where'd
He
Bart
did.
go?
That's exactly what he did. Come here, Shitty.
Jericho. Please fall, please fall. Okay, well, it's good, funny and adorable when he falls.
I think they're gonna go back and forth on it.
That one was a different direction. It was. I don't remember seeing.
Yeah, I said you meant. Oh, there's Bart.
See the new one from that section.
Over there by the by the dog.
I'm gonna go on that other side.
Listen.
Oh, I see. Those people are crossing the
The
line.
tree
Oh
was
yeah,
over
we
there.
should go over there.
Those ladies are already leaving.
Isn't there like a little Pomeranian?
Oh my goodness. So, it smells like crap over here. Man, Bart looks so cool. Man, we gotta. I'm gonna up my style like yours, and then we can.
with deeper.
Huh? Yeah, why?
Style?
Huh? Oh,
Me, yeah.
no, I gotta up my style, like Red Dead Redemption wise, because you look like a Red Dead Redemption character. So where'd that hat get there?
Finish your thought. Or don't.
When, and I don't want to dress
I look
like,
like
I
a
feel
Red
like
Dead
I'm Red Dead
Redemption character. I got
Redemption, but like
sneakers
not
on.
really, minus the stinkers. Like, imagine if we both got horses. Yeah.
Bart's scared of fish, and it sounded like
What are
a.
you talking about? Oh, I thought you said I'm scared of fish.
Yeah, me too. I'm like,
That
No,
sounds
no,
like
I'm not.
wood.
Mom went this way, right? I'm assuming. We're gonna go find our mom. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. What the? I just get
Now
powers?
that's from- She said she was gonna walk on the rocks this February.
Oh. You think mom went this way?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Nothing suspicious.
To the left. Like, that looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Like, it looks really bright.
Yeah, I just love the sun so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord. We can go that way. No. That looks steep. Where did she go?
She kept going.
Yeah. Huh? I wonder if you can walk like if you have a horse, if you could walk it along this trail too.
I wouldn't though.
Why?
It looks really narrow.
So
Yeah, it
nice.
looks really narrow. My legs should be more open when riding a horse.
Yeah, it's about like this. No, that seems good.
Okay, but you're tiny, so that.
No, yeah, that's what I just did.
No, your legs are gonna be wider than the horses, right?
Yeah, it's this.
Yeah,
Because
but
of the saddle. Oh, there she is. Okay, I lost her. The sun's in the... Okay. Lily said mom like if she was asking if that was actually her. Mom?
Like you lost her. And
Yeah. Oh, was that right there? Because there was a turtle here.
we saw a frog earlier.
Now see, oh, who?
In Jericho.
Lucky. See, this I wouldn't walk my horse on. How did she get over there? Oh, this way, huh? Ooh, stickers. What the? Oh, I thought Lily went with that dude. Huh. This is nice. Whoa, this water's so still. Oh, yeah, fish. Let's see if you can see it. Where'd it go? There it is. No, you cannot. There's the fish.
Probably not.
What?
Don't do that.
Why don't you take that out?
We'll edit that in.
It looks pretty still to me.
Yeah, that's why I wouldn't drink it.
Running over here?
Yeah, from a sewer.
Long enough?
You were what? Looks like a gopher. Nice. Almost stop it.
Did you see the
Fish.
yeah all the fish that were over there?
No?
All swarm?
I should just leave my stuff.
Oh, there's a fish over
Where?
there. There's a home over there.
Where?
That I saw fish over
Don't fall. Your phone's in your pocket.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Forgot about her.
What? Okay. You don't see any fish?
No, I thought I saw it. I might have just been something wrong.
Now my throat's hurting.
Oh, really?
No.
This is the best water for your plants.
I don't see any plants in here.
Oh, I thought you were going to say fish. What was that?
That was you.
What
It's
did
a
I
frog.
do? I was going to say no.
Where?
It's right there.
Hey, little thing.
I don't see it.
No,
Oh, I see it.
I still don't see it, but I know it wasn't me.
Its eyes
Oh,
are just
I
popping
see,
out.
I see. Oh, so cute.
Right, there's a
Make
frog
sure
over
Shelly
here.
doesn't step on any frogs.
Right there.
Oops. Where'd it go?
It's right
Still
there. I
there.
see its back tail.
Oh my. Oh, I see its little booty.
Give me a froggy.
Where is it? There it is.
It's got big eyeballs looking over here.
Boogers.
Whoa, sorry, frog.
You think you can grab it?
I don't
I
touch
can't
it.
even keep my balance.
Why?
Why
It's
not?
just a frog.
You're going to get worse.
Nah, it's not
No,
true.
that's a lie that parents used to tell us. Where?
Oh.
It's gonna squirm away.
Well, don't let it squirm.
Oh, well, it went under the rock.
Yeah, let me do this. I can see it's right there.
It pushed with its little booty.
Are you gonna grab it?
No, it,
Mom's trying to.
Here.
no, it already.
No, it's right there. I think its head is right there.
Grabbing a bottle?
It's under these two.
Oh, I'm not gonna
rocks.
grab it. When I went to go grab it,
Should
it
you
used
not?
it,
Nah.
it used its little legs, my fingers to push off my with its legs. Very cute. No, because it's scared.
Yeah, let's leave it alone.
It's scared. I don't want to mess with it anymore. If it let me scoop it up like that, yeah, but no.
Oh, look, a crawfish. Straight. Oh, it's crawling under that.
Leaf?
What am I pointing at? No, it was crawling under a rock.
Oh. There's a whole bunch of fish over there.
What am I even pointing at?
When I looked over there, they
Oh,
all
I see it.
What was that? Oh, that was a fish, I think.
Yeah, I went into the rock.
I can show you where a whole bunch of
Yeah.
fish on the way back if the sun. Oh, there's a huge one right here.
What, a fish?
Yeah, they just run that way. They're under the wood.
I don't know what to step
They walk this way.
to not fall in. Oh, I see one fish. One fish, two fish.
I don't remember if I climbed
Red
over
fish,
there,
blue
but I
fish.
saw over there. Oh, on that side, if you look on that side, you
Hey,
can
another
see-
frog. Look at my finger. Okay, straight.
Is it in the water? Oh yeah, I see it. Little eyeballs sticking out right there.
Yeah.
They're like, y'all need to go home and go to bed. Looks like a rock, right in between the yellow and the orange. There's a
Check,
rock.
look at the frog.
There's a frog.
There's a rock.
It looks like a rock, but it's a
It
frog.
tricked you.
No, my bug got it wet.
I'm trying to get closer to it quick. I'm following you.
I'm gonna make it move.
No. I think it's squinting its eye.
It's still waking up from its nap. It's waiting for those fish to come around and we scared them away.
Yeah.
There's like a
There,
whole,
I got a better.
I don't know what you call it, a whole school of them. Just
So
swimming
cute.
in a certain
I love frogs.
You're just trying to make sure that this is not a peaceful vlog at all. Water, frogs, nature, wet part.
You see it, Jerica?
What?
The frog? No.
No, it's right there. See where the
Oh, it's a toad. That's not a frog, that's a toad.
That's a frog, dude.
Good
No.
job.
Who cares what it is?
A beaver just attacked you?
Is that one frog still there?
I think so.
Yeah, it is.
Are you scouting out this frog?
me.
Yeah, just don't step anywhere by Lily. And you don't step in the water. Or just don't step in the water.
I was just doing this. It's all the way over there. It's like, okay, I don't know what they're looking at.
No, it's right here.
I said, that's Greg.
And did you see how you just wiggled that rock? Don't step on it.
That's where she was stepping earlier.
It's right there. Look, that's its head. In between this rock and this rock. That's its head. And then that's its... No, it's hiding.
I want to move that big rock. I'm scared for it.
Whoa.
There's like 20 or 50 fish over there.
was that noise? No. Well, maybe. I'm trying on this one. Here we go. Uh-huh. Ow. That hurt my foot.
You didn't see where they went together?
Is this a crunchy? Kind of stale. Not 100% crunch. See? We need a crunchy wave. I think this might do the trick. No. I think the leaf has to be away from the water. Maybe this one. No, you can't really see. This one? All these leaves aren't crunch.
So it depends on. But you can see them all just hanging out right there. They're hiding. When
Oh,
they
I
you
see
coming, they
it.
hide.
Yeah, I see them right
They're
there.
all kinds of
Just
sizes.
like they're just staying still.
Yeah, the little
I
ones are
don't think-
closer to the edge. The bigger ones are more in the hole.
Yeah.
You guys ready? The ones that were swimming around over there and then gathering in a pod, those look cool. Or not a pod, a school of fish. I don't know if they're called pods.
I don't know.
No, you think of a tadpole.
All right, I think our trail walk is done.
Yeah.
Lily, can you not? You know what? I realized we have to walk back still. I found a crunchy leaf. Is it? Crunchy enough.
I am not doing that population.
Why do I have the most? Huh? Oh, cool.
They look person.
Yeah. Well, I don't think we can.
He looks a person. Imagine going on a trail walk with the youth.
Please stay on the trails
I
off
have a
the
couple
planet
people I would
areas.
push in.
Yes, Capitan.
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
I would push in the
Where?
certain
Going towards that tree.
I love chipmunks.
What
are you talking about?
That tree. Because I heard it scurrying.
In order to
and
get
we
it,
didn't know what it was though.
Oh, the fishies are jumping.
No shot.
Yeah, you see it?
No.
Yeah.
Where the water's moving?
Yeah.
They were.
Like 3 jumped.
What are they? Want to be salmon?
I'm sure they're jumping over rocks and all. That's so cute.
You
Maybe
can see them kind of like coming to the surface,
Yeah.
poking their heads out.
Yeah, they do, but then when you walk past them, they get scared and they shut down. Maybe they went down because they saw us. They're not gonna jump no more.
Yeah.
See the water over.
Or they passed that point that they needed to jump.
Oh, maybe.
I can't wait till I get the attachment.
I'll show you where the. If I see where they were gathering, there's a whole ball of them. Oh, there it is. There's a. See in that hole? There's a whole bunch of them in there.
Oh, I see it.
What the? There's a whole bunch right there too then.
I was like, do you hear it jump again?
Yeah.
Do you see them?
Yeah.
There's gotta be like 100 right
Oh,
there.
I see one. Oh yeah, I see a
Where are you
couple.
looking? There's a Panda Express wrapper.
That's a sign.
To get Panda Express today.
Yeah.
You know what? I wouldn't hate that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look, you
Oh, I jumped. Oh, why are they
Do you think
jumping?
they're stuck?
No.
Now they're playing.
The crab jerk. I almost put me in.
I'm sorry.
You see it in the camera though?
Yeah.
I want to record on my camera.
They jumped again.
Why are they jumping?
Because they're having a party.
Jump, chipmunk.
Sure.
We're going to fish jump.
I don't think this is chipmunk.
We're recording. I'm going to record a jump. Did it grab Chevy from my arm?
I see their bellies.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Oh, I stopped recording now. Oh, I
why do
should've
they turn
been
like
so-
upside down?
They're eating.
Yeah, they're trying to turn around to get into the hole.
Yeah, they're just rubbing out. Look, you can see their little bellies.
They're so cute.
Oh, I see the Panda Express.
The sign from the fish.
I've been looking for it.
I'm so glad you got on camera though that the side jump. Hello.
Should someone say catch? I'll catch it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a trout.
So many of them there, man. That has to be like 100, if not more.
They're marching on something. Algae that
Oh, he jumped
Yeah, they
again.
dropped.
I really hope I got it. I think that
hope so.
stinking leaf was in the way.
See the whole.
Oh, I got that. Oh, you got him.
Yeah, what's on your dog's face? Never. I think it was.
Really, what's in you in this big? Yeah.
I'm gonna write a book about a
Yay,
fish.
teach a fish.
I'm gonna name it Paul.
What?
That is the most oddest name ever.
Chevy, can you not?
I was able to see it when you were up.
Oh wow, there's even more on them.
You're going to the van.
Why are you jumping over there?
Is that recording?
Yeah.
But you're not. Now all I want to do is see a snake. A snake. Where did Bart go?
You can go sit at the thing
Sit at the waterfall?
to read some of it. Yeah.
Oh, so he wants us to go slow.
When we were here last time, they're like, oh, just coffee. Just a mocha. Someone said, like,
Oh,
I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, I guess so.
A dead fish. I'm just kidding. I thought it was at first. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It was pretty cool when I seen them like going like that, and then
I'm trying to pull him up in front of me. He was pulling his head down.
oh, another one jumped over there.
together. Like a stick. A bug just hit me on the forehead.
How the hell did something get in my eye?
Might have been the bug that hit me in the forehead.
I wonder what those are. Should record those and ask you what
What? Wait, something's in
mine
my
had
eye. I
legs there.
can't see.
What?
purplish blue.
Pretty flowers. Oh, I took pictures of the flowers too.
But I want to know what they are.
What
There's some right here,
flowers are these?
and then there's
Or
these little
weeds,
yellow
if
ones right
anybody
here,
knows.
and then these. Look at what are these?
Blue.
Yeah, I know they're blue, but what are they? They gotta be called something. Someone can
Wait, is
tell
this
me.
one the same as that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? What are these?
No, I think that's different.
What are these yellow ones?
These are white, but I want to know what they are.
What are these?
This rack is moving.
Yeah. And then
Yeah, so stop moving
These
it, Lily. I'm
yellow
trying to
ones.
record.
these might be jewels or something like that. Then there's more of the little purple ones.
Look at these flowers.
They're
It's the
medicinal.
stick flower.
Oh, are they edible? That's all I want to know is if they're edible.
Oh.
Aren't these Goldilocks?
What?
So
Ooh.
cute. Wait, I
It's
like
not
the
pokey?
picture I got.
Okay.
This is, I think, Daisy.
Chamomile.
I think this one's
It looks like a chamomile.
Yeah, it does, right?
Giving Uncle Iro.
Chamomile tea.
It has very good benefits. Or,
Calico.
look, y'all, these are Goldilocks.
Mm.
Fuzz. That's actually cotton.
Oh.
Weed.
Wheat.
No, weed.
Is it pokey?
A little bit.
It could be, yeah. It feels like it could cut me.
You got it on me.
Let me see.
That's what it looks like.
Oh,
up
yeah.
close. La porcupine.
I pointed at them, they took off.
Well. They did fake it. All these rocks here.
Yeah.
It said that they did over there anyways.
Oh. Mute record them.
Now I kind of want Panda Express and
That was good crunch.
Stop it, Mike.
What? Ticks? Oh, Lily Mom went this way.
I did too.
We went that way. Is she good? Yeah, I don't want to record people. Actually, I think I'm done recording. No, you know what? I'm going to record myself because this is about to die. Ooh. Oh, of course they were. Okay, I'm going to record myself. Super rare. Oh, snap. Ugh. Give me a minute. Oh. I don't think I'm gonna get used to this. This is very it's not unnatural to record myself, but to hold a camera and to record myself, so much different than using like the phone and like recording myself like this. Cause I'm able to do that or like take pictures, but to do this feels different. It's different. Maybe I'll get used to it. But talking to the camera feels like I'm talking to myself. But I'm not. But I am. Anyway, I think that might be the end of the video. Maybe we're gonna have a bonfire at our house. I don't know if I'm gonna record that though. I think this is good enough. I like the woods, but I'd rather come with my dog because I know like we'll both be vigilant and on it when it comes to like looking out for each other. I hear a little noise, I'm like, whoa, what was that? Anyways, hopefully you can hear me. I bought mics. I bought them a while ago, I just haven't used them. So maybe I'll bring a mic eventually. I don't know. Let me know if you liked the video, or like it if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, I'm so sorry. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Also, if you liked it, subscribe. I know it's probably just leaves falling, but I'm a runner, okay? I run. I'm a fighter and a runner, but mostly my first option is zooming. Yeah, if you liked the video, like it. The little thumb down there. It's free. It doesn't do anything. Also, subscribing is free. I like to tell people because some people think subscribing costs money. I guess like the older people, they think subscribing to something you have to pay. That's what my dad told me. So then I kind of explain it as following someone on Facebook. That's what subscribing does. So if you want to see more videos of me and the things I post, or if you liked one of them, you're probably going to get more of those. So yeah, just subscribe. And you don't have to watch the videos that you don't like, obviously. Or that you're like, oh, it's a soccer video, don't care about that. Oh, it's a basketball. Well, I'm not going to post basketball. I might, actually. I cannot focus. subscribe. It would be very, very, very great. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. What else? Yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips. Unless you're any one of my family members, then you can tell me in person or keep it to yourself. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that was the little trail walk thing we did. I heard people coming, so I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. Thank you.